Here today I want to check out this awesome Halco corncob light. It is the Pro LED 320 watt replacement. It's non-dimmable, omnidirectional, and here's important, E39 base. E39 base. The Mogul-base, if you know that better. So it's 10,800 5,000K lumens. That is incredible, folks. 11,000 lumens. Obviously a daylight. It takes 80 watts. 320 watt, like a metal halide bulb replacement. Let me show you the sides. If you need to read that, you can just pause. There it is. This thing is so heavy, I don't want to mess around with this table much. But that's the specs on it. Now let's look at this thing. First thing to note is it's got a Mogul-base, and so right here, this is an adapter. So it's got the E26, E27 base, either one's fine, they're just a little bit off. And then that's the huge, massive Mogul. That's the E39. So I screwed the E39 corncob bulb into this, put this into this very old light fixture. Now, the light fixture is not what you're going to use on a work site, obviously, but I'm doing it to make a point that this is an 80 watt bulb. Folks, sorry about my dog, she's so excited. It comes with a safety chain with double carabiners, so you can clip it, and it's a heavy bulb. You can see the heat sinks. Let's see how deep this thing is. So, and here, let's see this thing in action. Remember, this is an antique lamp. Because we're only dealing with an 80 watt light bulb. Gosh, I hate to let go of it. It is really a phenomenal piece of equipment, but I don't want to kill it. So before we turn it on, you guys, let's turn off the patio light here. So you can see that it's dark. Here we go. Let's see what 10,800 lumens look like. Watch your eyes here. I'll turn away a little bit. Holy cow. Yeah. It is daytime here. It's unbelievable, isn't it? That is just amazing. We would not need any more light. We've done tiling bathrooms at night, and we just couldn't get enough light in there, to really see well. This would do it. We're using huge brightness CFLs, but this LED would be incredible. A lot of times we didn't want to turn on the extra work lights we had because they were so hot and be working in the summer here in Arizona. Well, this won't be a problem with this LED. For 11,000 lumens, you're not generating much heat. I mean, obviously it's going to generate heat because it's a lot, but I'm touching the bulb and it's okay. Those heat sinks are working, but my hand is on it. I mean, this is insane. And it's just wow. Anyways, if you do work anywhere where light is a priority, this Halco 80 watt corncob light bulb, wow, awesome. Oh, forgot to turn it off.